Hi everyone, welcome to the Ukulele channel. Today I'm here with another sort of tool update or a tool review of something that I found at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is a value store, small store, convenience store that are located throughout the United States, maybe other places as well, and they sell everything for $1.25 or more ultimately. And they do have a little tool area. And I was through there the other day and I saw that they had sanding sponges. And I did a video about that the other day. Today I'm here to talk about this. I found 4-inch mini bar clamps. And if you watch this channel, there are times that I have to repair an ukulele. The biggest challenge for me is that we have 640 flight travel ukuleles, and if they land just right, the top can pop on those. So I'm always having to glue those back together. And I've tried to use clamps like this, not very successfully to have that happen. So I usually end up using tape. In fact, I recently did a video about repairing a flight travel, and I showed myself masking tape it with really bad masking tape. Well, this will solve that problem, although I think I need to buy a few more. And I need to get this out of the packaging, so allow me to do that. There are, these ties on there that need to come off, so I'm taking those off so I can get to these. And I've got a couple more to get off here on the top. That one's done. And then this one up here. There we go. So you get a pack of 2 for $3. The price is $3, the 4-inch mini bar clamp. And here is an Ola soprano ukulele that I'm going to be reviewing. So if I had a situation where I had to glue the top or something, I can adjust the width to what I need, and then I can clamp it shut or clamp it tight and let it hold. If I have a number of those clamps together, what I can do is I can actually leave it sitting resting on those clamps, and that's going to be so much better than trying to use these as a solution. These do work, but like on a rounded one, they don't work so well, whereas this is going to have a better chance of holding on. So anyway, $3 for 2 of these is a pretty good deal, and I'm probably going to buy another at least pack to have here at school so I can do repairs on the fly. So if you're interested, you can of course buy these anywhere, but for just a few dollars at Dollar Tree, that's a pretty good bet. All right, that's it for this little tool update for ukuleles here at the Ukulele channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.